Hey, I'm Carl with Apt, and if you've ever wanted to set up a surround sound system but you don't want to run wires everywhere, you definitely want to check out Sonos. We're here today to show you how to set up a Sonos surround system. So the first thing to remember when you're setting up a Sonos surround system is that one of your pieces does have to be hardwired into your network. In my case here, I have my modem located right below my play bar, so I hardwired that right in, so it was very simple. Now the play bar is the essential piece of your surround sound setup. It's going to contain your center channel and your front left and right channels. And the setup on this is extremely easy. You're going to run an optical cable from the back of your TV into the back of the play bar, and then you're going to plug the play bar into a power outlet. So your next step is going to be to download the Sonos application, and once you're done with that, you're going to get a little icon on your screen that looks like this. Click on that, and then it's going to bring you to the Sonos setup page. So click Setup Sonos. Gives you a little welcome screen here. Click Next. And then we're going to go to Setup New System. And then from there we're going to do a standard setup. We click on Next. And now it's going to give you the indicator here to plug your play bar into a power source. And once you do that, you should have a green flashing light on the side of the play bar. Then you click Next. And now it tells you to hold in the top button and the volume up button at the same time. And so once you push those in, click on Next. And you should see an orange flashing light on the side of your speaker. And then you hit Next. And it's going to configure the play bar. Okay, so once that's done downloading, you're going to click on Next. So once you get to this screen here, because we're going to be hardwired, you're going to click on Next. And it's going to give you the option to select an alternative setup. So you click on that. And then we're going to go to Next. It's going to tell us to wire it directly into our router. So you're going to wire your one piece of Sonos equipment, in this case it's the play bar, right into the router. Click on Next. And it's telling us to connect to power again. And giving us the same instructions here. So you're going to see the green flashing light. And then we're going to click on the buttons, the top button, and then the volume up button. And once we do that, it's going to say connecting. And then we're connected to our Sonos system. So you click on Done, and you're ready to play music. So now that you have your play bar set up, you're going to need some surround sound speakers to complete the package. That's where the Play 1s come in handy, like these. So we've got the Play 1 speakers here for our surrounds. You can also use the Play 3 speakers if you choose. And then once you have those plugged in, you're going to go through a similar process through the Sonos application to what you did with the play bar. So now we're going to add the Play 1 speakers to our surround sound setup. So to start, you're going to go back into your Sonos application, and it's going to bring you to the main screen here. And you're going to hit the menu button up here in the top left, and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Settings. And then we're going to go to Add a Player or Sub. So now from there, it's telling us to plug the Play 1 into a power source. And then once we do that, we go on to the next page, and you'll see the light flashing on the speaker itself. You go to Next once you see that, and then you're going to do the same process as we did with the play bar. So you're going to press the top button and the plus button simultaneously. And now we're connecting. Okay, and now we have the Play 1 added into our system. So we're going to click on Next. And then from here you can choose to use it as a standalone speaker or as a surround speaker. So for our case, we're going to use it as a surround speaker. And we're going to choose based on its position if we wanted to use the left or the right. And here for our setup, we've got it set up as the left speaker. So now you've added your left speaker, and then go to Next. And then from here, it's going to be the same process, and you can add a right surround speaker, or you can choose Not Now. So that's how you set up a Sonos system. It's just that easy. Make sure you go to apt.com and pick up some Sonos speakers, and like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube.